Hey, what is up, my fellow jewelers? I am so excited about this piece today. Now, I know I say that all the time, but no, I'm super excited. Do you see what we're making today? A 4-in-1 necklace. What? Yes, you heard me right. A 4-in-1 necklace. Do you see? Look at this. Let's look a little closer. See these little necklaces you see, these things you see, they're actually 3 necklaces in here, and then I put them all together with this ribbon so you can wear it as one piece or as 3 more pieces. So you could just wear the chain if you want. You could just wear this cute piece that has the rondelles if you want, or you can just wear this plain pearl necklace if you want, or you put them together to make one piece. That's right, one piece. So it is a 1-in-4 necklace, and guess what, y'all? I'm not just going to teach you how to make it. I'm actually giving this necklace away at the end of January 2018. That's right, I'm doing a free giveaway. So stay tuned on how to make this beauty, as well as how to enter in this contest to win this fabulous piece. So let's go. So this is what you are going to need to make your 4-in-1 necklace. For tools, you're going to need your round nose pliers, your long nose pliers. You're going to need your cutter tools, which I have jeweler cutter tools and electrician cutter tools. And then I have fire. You're going to need fire because at the end of your ribbon, you're going to need to burn off and so it doesn't fringe. For the material, I've already had a gold chain that I just found, and so it's perfect for this necklace. So a gold chain, and then for the material for the 2 necklaces we are making, I have my beads, of course. And then I have 2 lobster clasps, 2 jump rings, and 4 crimping beads, and then my wire. I have a 0.45 gauge wire. So that's the material you're going to need. So we're gonna make 2 necklaces. These are very simple, basic necklaces, a beaded necklace. I'm gonna make 1 necklace, and then I'm going to make the other necklace. The first thing I'm gonna do for the first necklace is I am going to unspool my wire. Now, I don't like to cut my wire at all before I actually string it on, because I feel like if I pre-cut it, they either cut it too long and I waste wire, or I cut too short and I have to recut again. So I don't like to pre-cut. I like to actually string my beads along my wire. So for your first necklace, just get started with stringing your pattern that you want for your beads. Put your beads on the wire. Okay, last bead going on this necklace. Yeah. Put it on there. Whew. So I strung all my beads for this simple necklace. The next thing I'm going to do after stringing my beads is I'm going to take my crimping bead, and I'm going to put my crimping bead on my wire, and then I'm going to take, you can either do a split ring or a jump ring. I'm going to put it on the wire as well, and then I'm going to bend it around. So the split ring is on one side of the crimping bead and the beads are on the other, and then I'm going to loop around my wire around the jump ring and put it through my crimping bead. So see, we have that. I'm going to take my long nose pliers and I'm going to crimp that crimping bead. I'm going to string my beads through. Yeah, look at that. Oh, this is so cute. So simple, but I just love it. I love a simple, cute, elegant pearl necklace. So we got that. And this is about 16 inches. It's a nice length for this 1-in-4 necklace. So this is about a 16-inch necklace. I'm actually going to need another split ring, and I'm going to open it up, and then I am put my lobster clasp through and then close it up. Make sure you don't have a gap with your split ring. And then I am going to cut my wire off so I have enough wire to put it through. Then I'm going to get my crimping bead, put my crimping bead through, put my lobster clasp with it on the ring, and put the wire around the ring and through the crimping bead. Now here's the deal. I don't want a lot of gap between my crimping bead and my beads, so I am going to pull the excess wire and pull it down. I'm going to pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. So there's not a lot of wire. You can test it out to see if you got rid of that gap. If you did, then crimp that bead. Yeah, ah, and I'm going to cut most of this wire off and then put it through some of my beads. So I'm going to do that right now. Cut my wire. And then put the excess wire through my crimping beads. Because if you don't, if you just have wire hanging out, you're going to poke the person wearing it. So we have our first necklace, our first simple beaded necklace. Oh, isn't it cute? So let's do the next thing. The next step we need to do is we actually need to make our other simple necklace. So just like I did for this necklace, do for this necklace. String it through your wire, put your jump ring and your crimping bead and your lobster clasp and your hoop. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have made our two simple beaded necklace. We have a chain necklace, and now you're going to just connect them for making it into one necklace. So I've connected that. I'm going to take my lobster clasp and I'm going to connect that and go like that, and then I'm going to connect my lobster clasp on the other one and go like that. And I need my ribbon. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to use your fire and you're going to burn the ends of it because you don't want it to fray. And this kind of makes it turn into rubber, and it stops the fray. And this is about 31 inches. I did 31 inches for the ribbon. So I'm going to take my other side and burn it, and do that for all four sides. Just using fire to burn the edge off. So we put these together. Yeah, it's going to be super cute. See, it's going to be something like that. It's going to be kind of layered. Oh, so cute. So I'm going to get my ribbon. And you don't want to have your clasps like in the middle. You want to have your clasp on the side where the ribbon is. So you're going to put your ribbon through and make a little loop for your two ends to go through. And it's going to be something like that. And then you're going to do that to the other side. So you're going to get the other two clasps. Make sure your clasps are on the sides. You're going to put your ribbon in half, just like this. Put your loop through, and then put your ribbon through. Oh, and that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. And it's going to hang like this. Oh, and be cute. And people won't even know it is more than one necklace. They'll think it's just one necklace, but you actually have 1 in 4 necklace. Oh, I love it. Isn't it so gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love this necklace so much. So you can put it all together with the ribbon on and just wear it as one piece, or you can take the ribbon off. You can totally take the ribbon off and just wear the gold necklace, or just wear the pearl necklace, or wear the necklace with the rondelles on it. Like, it is so cute. I love it so much. I just don't want to give it away, but I am. That's right, I'm giving away this necklace. So in order to win this necklace, you can have your name put in the drawing twice a week. That's right, because I'm doing a drawing at the end of the month of January 2018, but every week you can have your name put in twice. And how you do that is you comment on a photo, or you comment on a video from my YouTube channel, or my Jewelry Finesse with Des Facebook page, or Instagram. That's right. So you can't comment on the same video twice and expect to have your name put in the drawing twice. No, you comment on a video, or you comment on a photo, or you comment on a video on Facebook, or a comment on the video on Instagram. But if you do 2 comments a week, not on the same photo or video, then your name can be entered twice into the drawing. And you can only comment on photos or videos that were posted in January of 2018. And here's the deal. If you cuss, or if you say inappropriate things, then I'm going to delete that comment, and you can try commenting again, but it can't, no profanity and no inappropriate comments. Put a comment like, wow, that's a fabulous necklace, or wow, the day is really beautiful, or whatever. Make it a fun comment. I don't care. And so we're going to do this for the whole month of January. And at the end of January, I am going to draw a winner to win this necklace, this fabulous necklace. So if you want to know more details about how to win this necklace, look in the description below, and it'll give you all the rules and regulations, as well as all the websites you can go to comment on a photo or video. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to know when I post more videos, you can click right here to subscribe. And then here's 2 more of my videos that I did of how to do jewelry and stuff. But thanks so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Mwah! I'll talk to you later. Bye!